That was spicy. Lights, camera, action. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're finally going to be racing a 10-speed Mustang. He actually called me out today, and it's bone stock. It just has, I think, a spoiler on it for aesthetic reasons. But I haven't raced a stock 10-speed Mustang before. I have raced a non-stock 10-speed, and it gapped me pretty hard. So we're going to see how well we do against a stock one and see where we go from there. We're doing a 40? All right. Yeah, that thing moves. That thing moves. That 10-speed is crazy. And that is bone stock, and it is absolutely whooping on this Camaro. Jesus Christ, guys. And also clean sweep for the Mustang, which is a little bit unexpected, but also not too terribly unexpected, honestly.
All right, guys, this concludes the race for the night.
Yeah. What do you think of the races, though?
I don't know. I was too distracted.
You were distracted?
Yes.
Yeah. Were they close?
I don't know.
The first one was because we both missed second gear.
Yeah.
You missed it bad. I barely missed it. But
usually, like, for a split second it stops, but no, it just was like
it stopped for a minute, dude. Like mine was decent, but
because
like
when I clicked it, it didn't register. So I was like, click, click, click.
Classic. Well, I know I missed second. I heard you miss second. I was like, all right, bet. And then I was like a little bit ahead, and then you were just like, shoot. Quick they are, man. they're stupid quick. But all right, you guys, so those are all the races for today. 10 speed definitely took W's in all three. It was a fat L for the Camaro, not gonna lie. 10 speeds are stupid impressive, I can't even lie. And we'll see what we can do to maybe try to get closer next time. I don't really know what else we could do besides maybe a tune. Maybe it'll be a little bit better with that, so maybe that's what's coming next, who knows. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like. Let me know what you thought of in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.